Welcome to the proton family. Today I am going to explain the gas laws. Today the topic is the gas laws. First of all, you must know what is the meaning of these gas laws. Here, the behavior of a gas under known condition of pressure, volume and temperature. Means here what you will do, the behavior of a gas is under known conditions of pressure, volume and temperature. And here these gas laws have three variables, that is called standard variables. Standard variables are three are there. First standard variable is temperature, second standard variable is pressure, third standard variable is volume. First of all, let me explain you what is the first standard variable, that is temperature. Already you may be knowing the definition of temperature. What is temperature? What is the meaning of temperature? It is the degree of hotness. What is the temperature? The degree of hotness. Here, the temperature, you know, the already maybe you are familiar with the unit of temperature, that is degree Celsius. And commonly this degree Celsius is also known as centigrade. And here one more scale of temperature is there, that is called Kelvin scale. अब यहाँ पे आप ये देखोगे कि जैसे C पहले आता है तो K बाद में आता है, मीन्स विच यूनिट इज लार्जर, K इज लार्जर. अब इसमें क्या है कि अगर 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस है, सपोज द टेम्परेचर जैसे सेल्सियस है तो उसकी वैल्यू 0 है. And in Kelvin scale, that value will be equals to 273 Kelvin. Okay, students. Here see again 0 degree Celsius. This is commonly known as centigrade scale of temperature. और उसकी वैल्यू जैसे degree Celsius, commonly known as centigrade scale. And if degree Celsius value is 0, in Kelvin that value will be equals to 273. Okay, अगर आपको सेल्सियस को केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना है, सपोज सेल्सियस 0 डिग्री है तो आपको उसको केल्विन में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो व्हाट यू विल डू हियर, आप क्या करोगे, उसमें 273 ऐड करोगे. अगर सेल्सियस स्केल 10 डिग्री है तो व्हेन यू विल कन्वर्ट इन केल्विन यू विल ऐड 273. तो 273 10 डिग्री में आप ऐड करोगे तो इट विल बिकम 283. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स लेट अस सी द सेकंड वेरिएबल, दैट इज प्रेशर. हियर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट नो व्हाट इज प्रेशर. एक्चुअली इट इज फोर्स दैट गैस exerts. What is pressure? Force that gas exerts. Here different units of pressure. See, the first unit of pressure is Pascal, and this Pascal is also SI unit of pressure. Another unit of pressure is atmosphere. Commonly you are using this atmospheric unit of pressure. Third unit of pressure is cmHg, centimeter. Hg means mercury, centimeter mercury. Fourth unit of pressure is mmHg, millimeter of mercury. And fifth unit of pressure is torque. And these units, when you will calculate the numericals, these units you will use there. So you have to be familiar with these units of pressure. And one thing you must write, whenever I am explaining anything, you must write important points, especially these units of pressure. You must be familiar. You must be familiar with the units of temperature also. Now the third variable of gas is volume. And first of all, here also you must know what is the definition of volume. Actually, what is volume? The space occupied by a gas. Space occupied by a gas. इसमें भी जैसे वॉल्यूम की जैसे यूनिट्स हैं. फर्स्ट यूनिट है मीटर क्यूब. And meter cube, this is also standard unit of volume, that is SI unit of volume. Second unit of volume is centimeter cube. Third unit of volume is decimeter cube, and fourth is liter. And all these units of temperature, pressure and volume you will write separately and you will learn. So you have, because for the calculation of numericals, these units should be very much clear to you people. Okay students, I hope you understood these variables of gas. So revise all these. If possible, write all the units and then learn. Okay students, I hope you will like this video. If you want more video that I will give it to you, then you will subscribe my channel and you will also like.